Hi, good morning. I am Manuel de la Forza, a property consultant from Timber Property, and I'm here to present our new project, which is Asian Place. We have a 30 square meters, 30 feet, and 40 square meters. Come on, let's see. This is the 30 square meters. Look at, this is the door, which is fire rated door with peephole. As you can see, the 30 square meters, 30 square meter units are, it is upgraded unit. This is the actual turnover unit, pero upgraded na siya. Yung floor natin, bali yung floor natin, it is a vinyl floor. And it is the partition for one bedroom. Okay, this is the kitchen, modular kitchen with granite. And here's the bathroom of 30 square meters. Okay, come on. Let's go to the 36 square meters. Here are now our 36 square meters. The door is also a peephole with a fire-rated door with peephole. And as you can see, this is the 30 square meters with a one bedroom. Look at the unit. This already upgraded the unit. And look at the tiles of it. With upgraded modular kitchen. Let's see the bathroom. It's also upgraded. The bathroom is also upgraded with tiles. Look at the floor. Okay, look at the bedroom. And this is the bedroom, 30 square meters. The bedroom. These are the cabinets. And as you can see, this is the 36 square meter upgraded unit. Okay, let's go. We will now consider the 40 square meters. The 40 square meters, that's all. As you can see, the door is also fire-rated with peephole. This is upgraded 40 square meters. The unit is upgraded. Look at the modular kitchen. You can see. It is upgraded and fully furnished unit. Okay? This 40 square meters has a partition of 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. And this is the another bedroom. All units all the units has a provision for electricity, computer connection, and telephone communication. And this is the bathroom. Let's proceed to the bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom has already upgraded. And this is the 40 square meters. I'm Limbabi Acosta, and I'm a property consultant from Sima Property.